What's up, guys? I did take the Bayliner out for the first time to actually go fishing yesterday. Here's a clip. Come on, boys. Name a better garage, bro. Look at this bad boy. Look at this. V10. Alright, back to the boats. Guys, a lot of news coming to the channel. First off, hope you liked that video of, well, I guess it was more of a clip of the Bayliner going offshore. We did catch a ton of fish. Here's the old girl sitting pretty as usual. Guys, I am selling this boat. If you are interested, let me know. It is water ready. Price is negotiable to an extent. I do have a set number that I will take, and I do obviously have a set number I will not take. So if you are interested, let me know. It has nothing to do with this being a Bayliner. It has nothing to do with, quite frankly, cockpit lights, stern lights, let's see, cabin lights, horn, bait tank. Hopefully you can hear that. Bilge pump. Hopefully you can hear that. Nav lights. Spotlight. Right? We need to keep the cockpit lights on. Guys, I am selling it. Comes with a Bluetooth radio. Boss. GPS. Lowrance. Turns right the hell on. Okay. I gotta remember to turn that off. The only reason why I'm selling this boat is because my main interest is real estate. I want to flip houses. Quite frankly, I am selling the Aquasport as well. I'm going to sell the Bayliner first. So like I said, if you are interested, I took it out the other day and fished on it. This thing does over 50 miles an hour. I can't guarantee that, but I'm telling you, it hauls ass. I don't have a speedometer on it. You got like 13 to 15 rod holders, I think, somewhere around there. You got the GPS already there. Literally, this boat's ready to go. I do want to flip houses, like I said. Let's say you go to the Keys. I'm going to clean this up, don't worry, it's a little bit of paint. Let's say you want to go to the Keys. You want to lock all your fishing stuff in here. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. Locked. Ready to roll. Comes with 2 keys. Don't ask for more. I'm gonna say hell no. The upholstery in here, is pretty good. No tears that I know of. Right now I'm currently running the rear battery to this battery. This battery is the electronics battery. We got a wire snake right there if you're interested. A sink. That is a window washer motor. This is a hatch that is apparently not closed, which is why there's water in here. Come on. Okay. Keeps the rain out. Like I said, it wasn't hatched in. That's why there's water. Guys, I'm gonna be very honest with this boat. Look at this. If this bad bitch is sinking, you just hit that, boom, 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 boom. Turn that off. RPMs work, fuel gauge works, everything works. This thing is, come on, hey. Oh, I think I hit that again. This thing's ready to go, okay? So, I'm gonna be very honest. I'm asking $20,000 on Facebook. There is a number below that I will take. I'm not going to say what the number is. This is a brand new VHF. Bought 2 months ago. Less than that, actually, if you're interested. You got a fish box here, bilge compartment over here. Fuck, I'll even throw in the scaff. Why not? So if you want to buy this boat, just shoot me a DM. It does not come with this fishing reel. I know y'all are savages, but nope. But like I said, I just want to free up a little bit of capital just before I go out and take a loan on a house. The engines are perfect. Do not worry about the engines. I will honestly take people for not a joyride, but a water test ride. If you're serious about buying it, let me know. I will take you out, but I need to see cash in hand, or at least show me you got the money. My girlfriend put a brand new beer in here and didn't take it out. All right, guys. Aquasport, it is going to get sold soon. I'm going to sell this one first because it's done. I got to do a couple more things to the Aquasport. So anyways, I'll see you in the next video.